After you eat a veggie sandwich, my breath is stinky.
He just did that again.
Y'all have study hall? Y'all have study hall, so you need something to do, you can do it now. The best thing that y'all can do for me is get the journals done and get them turned in to me today. Yes.
Now I find it.
Dude, where is my bag of rubber bands? Shady, you know.
Yeah. Who put it in his mouth?
Eat it.
He said he had that bag. Dude, where's my bag of rubber bands?
Don't have it.
Dude, then who has it?
I don't know. I'm not at liberty to say. They said they'll kick my ass. No, it's I had a veggie sandwich, and the black olives and onions, you know, it gets on your breath and it stings for like days. So this is the only resort, and it was free. Wow, Josh. Yeah. I mean, that could have been simpler, but I didn't have that on me. Dude, that was funny as hell.
Jamie, you have my bag of rubber bands.
Oh God, there's gum.
So you got them from the bag, right? So who has it?